Hey my friends, Richard Wiebig here for those of you who do not know me, and in today's video I want to show you how you can go about making over $100 a day online. Now make sure you pay close attention to the things that I'm saying because I have over 16 years experience making money online. So I do have the knowledge and expertise and know what works and what doesn't. Now the first thing I want to give you an understanding about, because a lot of people who will watch this video for the first time, this is their first attempt or first, going out and looking for a way to make extra money online and maybe have never ever tried doing this stuff. So the first thing I want to point out is the easiest way for anybody to get started making money online and learn how to make over $100 a day is by selling other people's products and other companies' products and services for a commission. That is what's called affiliate marketing. There are product creators, people with vast experience like myself, who create our own products and sell them through affiliate marketplaces like on the page that we're on right now where it says clickbank.com. This is a giant affiliate marketplace where product creators, companies that own products come here to find affiliates, other people that want to sell products and services for a commission. And that is the fastest way to get started in your pursuit of making over $100 a day online, is to become an affiliate on a marketing platform like Clickbank, or for a specific opportunity itself, and sell that person's or company's products and services, because you don't have to learn a whole ton of knowledge to be able to do that. You don't need to know how to create a product. You do not need to get programmers to show you how to create a web page, make images. There's a whole bunch of things that go into creating a website with products and shopping carts and things that actually work to sell the products and services. As an affiliate marketer, you don't have to know how to do any of that stuff. But there is one important thing, which is the most important thing, that you do need to do in order to make over $100 a day online, or make much more than that. You need to learn the process of how to sell products and services online. That is the most important thing you will ever do in your quest to make money on the internet. You need to learn or model or copy an exact blueprint of how somebody else is already selling successfully. That is what you must learn how to do, because you can have the best products and services in the world, just like clickbank.com here on the screen. Clickbank is the largest affiliate marketing platform that exists online, and it's been here for over 22 years. And it's filled full of products and services that you can sell for commissions. But you can have the best products and services, the best affiliate marketing platform, the best opportunity that exists, and you will make no money if you do not know how to sell successfully online. And that is what separates all the people who try this stuff and become successful in doing it, and those who don't. It's just like in the gold rush days. I want you to think about this. In the gold rush days, everybody rushed out because they said, hey, there's gold in them hills. And people upon person, ran out to those hills, wherever that gold rush was, to try to dig for gold. And many, many, many people perished along the way. And many people were broke and lost everything they had before that. Very few people ever made money during the gold rush days from actually digging the gold. How they made money, or where the money was made, was with all the shopkeepers. All the shopkeepers who sold consumable goods, that sold the picks, the axes, the shovels, the food, the booze, you name it. All those miners needed all that stuff so that they could mine for gold. So lots of shopkeepers became very, very wealthy. But those shopkeepers knew how to sell stuff because they knew there was a huge demand for their products and services. And, in those days, the best way to sell stuff was, of course, to open up a store or a mercantile, and people would come into your store because you had a sign that said picks and shovels, or you had a sign that said restaurant or food, and people would know to go there to purchase that stuff. Online, trying to sell stuff is like a needle in a haystack. Why? Because there are literally hundreds and hundreds of millions of website, web pages, products and services all over the internet. So in order to successfully sell stuff online and make over $100 a day online, you have to fine-tune how to actually reach people, number one, because otherwise what you're trying to sell, no matter what it is like a needle in a haystack. Number two, you have to learn to target people that want what you have. And number three, you need to know the process of which to use that works. Because just because you throw up a website, even if you went that route and threw up a website yourself that had shoes for sale, nobody's going to buy them because nobody's going to know you exist. And if you don't have a process set up to follow up with the people that do visit your website, you will never make any money. But that's the reason why so many people who try making money from home online fail, and why so few succeed, because they go about it the wrong way. They're always looking for the gold in them hills, meaning it is not the opportunity or the products themselves that will set you free. It is the learning or the mastering of the process that will. Because it doesn't matter if you think you found gold, if you have no way to get that gold out, process it, and sell it, you will make no money from the gold either. So I really want you to understand that. And now, what is the fastest way, knowing that information, for you to begin to learn how to make money? And that is affiliate marketing, like we've talked about. And that is by modeling somebody who's already done it, or following a very specific blueprint that has worked for hundreds of others or thousands of other people. Because there are people, you can literally write your own ticket to freedom, and there are people who make millions and tens of millions of dollars online selling other people's products and services because they have an exact blueprint for doing so. To give you an example here real quick, here is, if you can see my account here, I'll try to make this a little bit bigger, my email account where I get notifications. You can see that this payment amount, where I got paid through a company called Payoneer. Well, Payoneer is a processing company for one of the affiliate marketing opportunities that I promote. And this was for a monthly payment of over $8,484.07. Not bad for working in my pajamas from home. And that's not working the kind of hours you work at a job. And this was just one of the affiliate marketing companies that I promote. And if I click off of this and go to this account, you can see I've been paid for months and months and months and months and months from the same company. And this is just when I started keeping track. There's 61 records here, or 61 months of getting paid from this particular company. Now that's just one of them. But see, I first came on the scene online trying to make money about 16 years ago now. And one of the first things I was ever exposed to was Clickbank.com, because Clickbank was around then, and I was looking for ways to make over $100 a day online. And when I first tried selling Clickbank products, I couldn't sell none of them. I tried many other opportunities and affiliate marketing platforms. In my first 2.5 years online, I made nothing. But I knew other people were making a ton of money doing this stuff. And I kept thinking to myself, there's got to be a way to do it. All these other people are doing it, and there are people who are successful doing it. What am I doing wrong? What do I need to do differently? And I asked myself the right questions. I kept asking myself the right questions. How do I make money online? What do I need to exactly do? And eventually, after that 2.5 years, I figured it all out. And I started making commissions. And the first time I got one, I was like, holy cow, this stuff really does work finally. But that was after 2.5 years of trying. And then I went on, and I still promote Clickbank today. This is another company I get paid from. And one of the biggest companies that I promote is a company called Now Lifestyle, because Now Lifestyle is a fabulous company that has paid me a lot of money. Now Lifestyle has paid me over almost $200,000 already. And this is just a video on the company here on the page that I'm at. But this is another type of opportunity, affiliate marketing opportunity that I choose to promote, just like Clickbank. And there's other opportunities and programs and products that I have promoted online and made thousands and thousands of dollars from. But of course, your first goal in doing this stuff is always learning to make your first sale and get to that all and coveted $100 a day, making $100 a day online. And that is certainly possible, and a whole lot more, as I showed you from that email where I was paid over $8,000 some dollars just from one opportunity that I promote, that products and services. I'm an affiliate for that company, just like I'm an affiliate for Clickbank. So with all that being said, always remember, in your pursuit of wanting to make money online and trying to make over $100 a day, that it is not the opportunity or products themselves that will make you all the money. Like I said earlier, you can have the best products and services, you can have the best affiliate marketing platforms, you can have the best of whatever. You have to learn the process to selling, because it is that process that will set you free. And sometimes it takes a little while to learn that process. Some affiliate marketing platforms cost money. Some are free. But in the process, you will need some type of money to build a business. I don't care what videos you come across that or any other things that tell you you can make money online totally for free. That is false. Do not believe that. That is a bunch of hype. It costs some time, some energy, some money. I'm not making 6+ figures online because I didn't invest nothing into my business. Because affiliate marketing, you own your own business. You are yourself. You are selling to produce commissions for yourself. And you do not work for these companies. You are an affiliate marketer trying to make commissions. But just remember, it is that process, above all else, that process is what will set you free, and learning how to sell properly online. So other than that, my friend, if you like this video, make sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I just want to make sure you do not miss any other videos I do, because I am a master at this stuff, if you want to call it that. I am a master marketer, a master affiliate marketer. I have created our own products and services as well. And we do use a step-by-step blueprint to teach other people how to sell. And that blueprint uses some of the products and services I talked about in this video. And below the video, I will leave in the description, I will leave a link to opt in so you can get more information on what we do if you would like to do that. And like I said, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel so you do not miss out on any other videos. But we would love to help you. I'd love to help you in your quest to make that almighty $100 plus a day online, because for most people that will help set them free. Again, other than that, my friend, I hope you have a great day. See you on the next video.